Hi guys, in front of me is HONOR X8c and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select home screen and style, and here this slide, pick select wallpaper, and now you can choose the picture that you want to cover your screen with. You can customize it then. You can blur it if you want. Obviously, you don't have to stick with on-device wallpapers. Let me just discard this one, because you can also choose something from your gallery, screenshots, whatever. If you'll mark more and you have network connection active and also you are logged in with your account, you will be able to explore some online wallpapers. But let me go back here and apply. For example, maybe color wallpaper. Let's stick with this one. Mark done, wait a couple of seconds, go back to your home screen, and that's it. As you can see, it is applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.